Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at FF Puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Jean-Claude Constantin from Germany. Difficulty level of the FF puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to flip all 10 F-shaped pieces with the white side up. As you can see, one piece is already flipped and you have to figure out the way how to do exactly the same with all other parts. It's not difficult to flip them, but you have to find a way how to fit all of them inside the frame. And it will be quite a challenge. As you can see, it's not difficult to flip some of the parts, but at some point you will find that this puzzle is almost impossible to solve. Since you will end up with all parts in and the last piece won't fit just a little bit. It will be not enough just one voxel to fit the last piece. You will dump all the parts out, try again, and again you will end up with one piece that doesn't really fit, and you will have to figure out the way how to fit all of them, all 10 pieces inside the frame. So it will be quite a challenging puzzle, but it has one interesting trick which you have to figure out. And as soon as you find that aha moment, you will be able to find a way how to fit all 10 parts with the white side with the white side up inside the frame. If you like the FF puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.